Um, I just realized that the whole time I was supposed to be looking at the camera, but I thought that by looking at myself, I was looking at the camera. Was I wrong? Yes, I was. I was basically talking to myself the whole time. So it is currently 7:50 and I have to be ready by 10. I'm pretty sure we can do it in less than an hour maybe. Let's find out. Anywhoosies, you get started off by picking up her hair, and I will be using my RJ headband. Yeah, I love it. It helps keep my hair out of my face, especially. It's good when you're doing your makeup. Also, my hair is a mess right now. I'm going to brush it. But before getting started, we will be applying sunscreen. I usually don't apply this sunscreen. It's right here. I apply another one, but this is the one I have at the moment because I need to restock my other one. But yeah, anything works as long as you have sunscreen on. A little bit, a pea size. Okay, so I applied my sunscreen, and I usually, before anything, like when I'm getting ready, before anything, I apply my eyeliner first. I know that's not the way it goes. I know it's not. Doesn't matter what way it goes and what order. That's just how I do it. I do my eyeliner first. It doesn't matter if I don't get my eyelashes done or my eyebrows or lips or anything. As long as I have my eyeliner, I'm good. So I'm going to do my eyeliner first. Warning, I am very messy when it comes to makeup. Like, I hack my way into it, and you'll see how, because I use wipies. So like, I do the line and I just do whatever I want right here, and then I slice it off. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. That's what I always do. So this is the eyeliner I use. It's only $1.99. So as you see, it kind of looks just like a big blob right now. But with our handy dandy wipey, makeup wipe, we're going to slice it. I just want to make sure I get it on camera. Voila! And yeah, that's basically how I do my eyeliner. So if you were wondering, now you know. Okay, so we're done. So first, I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I apply a layer of mascara, and then I curl them again, and that's pretty much how I do my mascara. And today, I'll be using this one by Prosa. Okay, so here's my eyelash. This is the one with mascara, and this is the one without mascara. And as you see, I kind of got some right here. But do not worry, because we have makeup wipes, so we're good. So I also like to get a little eyebrow brush, and I use this part to like brush my lower lashes so they can separate and look more natural. I still haven't curled it because I wait for it to dry, because if I curl it right away, the lashes are going to stick together, and we don't want that. So meanwhile, I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, so I'm done with my mascara. Also, excuse the noise, someone's taking a shower in the other bedroom, and you can hear it from here. So yeah, now I am going to try. I feel like I don't do my eyebrows good. I feel like I fill them in way too much. But I don't know, I just go with it. And I use this pencil. I don't really know where it's from. Oh yeah, somebody gave it to me in a gift box, and it came with like makeup stuff. And I need to see where they sell it, because I am kind of running out. We're also going to use makeup wipes to get the angle and all that. What would I do without makeup wipes? I don't know, probably not my makeup. And now I am going to apply, I think it's foundation. I don't really know what this is, but it makes my face look nice and smooth and clear. And I don't apply this every day. I apply this on special occasions only. Today isn't really a special occasion, but I have a lot of acne, so we're going to use this. Also, I didn't tell you guys why I was getting ready. I'm getting ready because I am going to a breakfast, and that's why it is so early, and that's why I have a morning voice, and that's why I'm getting ready. So, I'm going to put little dots here to cover my eye bags. And then right here, I just go what. So, what. And now for the other side. And now my forehead. My eye bags are still a little bad. I don't do this all the time, but I'm going to add a little bit of powder. We're just going to put a little bit. Oh yeah. Now we will be applying blush and the highlight and all that fancy stuff. So this is what I use, also Maybelline. And we'll be applying the blush. I like to smile so I can like emphasize the places I want to place my blush in, which is right here. Alright, now I'm going to apply the highlight, and I use a smaller brush so I can get that line. I don't know, my friend taught me how to do this, so that's how I do it. And we are done with that part. Now I'm going to apply eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow. This one also came in where my eyebrow pencil was in, and I love it. It's a bronzer, but I use it for eyeshadow. Okay, so I applied some on this, now I'm going to apply it on the other one. You can kind of see the difference. You can see it more in the sunlight, which is why I like it, because it's like a neutral color. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeshadow. And don't think I forgot about the eyelashes. I'm going to go over the bottom ones one more time because due to the foundation and the powder and all of that, the color got lost. So I'm going to do that real quick. And then I'm going to curl them. Okay, so this is the eye that I've curled. This is the other eye. I haven't curled it and I haven't put the bottom mascara. And this is the eye with the curling and mascara. Also ignore this big pimple. I tried to cover it as best as I could, but it's still there. Okay, now here are both of my eyes. But I think we're pretty much done with the face. I don't think we need anything else. Lipstick I applied at the end. And we're at the end, so I will be applying the lipstick. If I could find it. You know what, let's consider the end when like I have everything done. Oh, and finally, setting spray. Alright, now I'm going to brush my hair. So as you can tell, I already have curls on. Pro tip, I usually curl my hair at night if I'm gonna need to get early. So I curl my hair overnight so I can have it ready in the morning because my curls tend to last a little, but I just fix them up by brushing them and adding oil, hair oil. I may pass them a little with curling iron. They don't look that bad. It looks wavy. I like how it looks. Then I'm going to put some oil. Oil, apply it. What's good about oils is that it makes your hair soft, it makes it shiny, and it makes it smooth, and it smells good. So I'm waiting for this to heat up so I can just fix my bang, but I'm hungry and I haven't had breakfast. And yeah, so this is pretty much all for the face. Now I'm just going to put some clothes on and we will finish this video. we're practically done. Now all I'm going to do is just apply some perfume, some hairspray, and a little bit of lip balm. I use Juicy Couture. It smells really good, and it's a really nice bottle, really fancy. And this is a lipstick I use. This lipstick is like 50 cents, and I love it. First of all, it's cheap. Second of all, it's made out of aloe vera, aloe vera, whatever you call it. And it gives you color in your lips. And yeah, I think we're pretty much done. Let me show you my outfit though, because it looks cute from the top, but from the bottom, ooh, it's even cuter. It is hard to climb the stairs though, because I step on it. Oops. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to KidSlay. And well, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.